and you're watching FMA Makeup Tutorials. Is someone getting engaged in your house? Is someone getting married? Are you going to attend a function this month? Welcome. This is the solution for your makeup here. Please keep on watching and subscribe to my channel before you leave, girl. Let's get into the video. And I'll give you the solution for every damn thing for makeup. I bet you, girl, you are going to look rocking. So without wasting further time, let's get into the video and let's get started. So let's begin priming, and for that I am going to use the Rose Gold Elixir. So this primer helps me glow from within, and above this, any kind of foundation which we apply is going to look more glowy and dewy than it is. So this is the solution for all you girls who wanna look so glowy like a bulb in the function, and you wanna be like, "Hanji, tum kiski beti ho? Bahut sundar dikh rahi ho." Or if you want some compliments like, "Hey girl, how is your skin glowing so much? What are you applying? Koi dadi ka nuska hai kya?" So now to this glowy bulb, we are going to apply some foundation, and for that I am going to use the MAC Mineralize Foundation. And now the blender will just blend this all in. Now once this blending is done, we are going to go to the concealer. So for the concealer, this time I'm going to use the MAC Studio Finish Concealer with SPF 35. So in case if you have an outdoor event, you don't get tan. Perfecto! Set my under eyes and all of my concealer with the MAC Studio Fix powder, and that really helps a lot for a long lasting and beautiful flawless finish of your makeup. And you can just make out the difference, guys. And now Laura Mercier powder, and the baking goes on and on for yours. And now we're going to do our eyes. Do let me know in the comment section below if you're attending any functions in India or outside India, but it's an Indian function where you need to have some Indian makeup. I would love to know that. My sister is getting engaged and I have a function which I need to attend, and I'm so happy about it. So now we are going to jump into the eye makeup, and for that I am using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette. And this, you guys, I'm telling you, any kind of Indian attire you wear, brown eye makeup looks wonderful with all the garments, all the skin color, everything. So first shade which I am going to dip in is this, and I am just going to tap the entire color on the upper part of my eyelid. Then the shade right here goes on the crease. Now a little bit more fluffier brush in the same color. Better. Now I'm going to go in this color, and now I'm going to brighten this more. I don't know. I feel Indian makeup is one of the most universal makeup a makeup industry would have. Now again, by taking this color, I am going to smudge this. So now we are going to go in a little bit more tapered brush, and I am going to mix these shades right here, and I'm putting it right where my crease is. The palette, you guys, is wonderful. I am in love with this palette. So I really feel that you can create n number of looks out of this palette, and you know, to create one eyeshadow, you can use all the eyeshadows here, or you can just use one or two eyeshadow and still you get a look. That's the best part of this palette. That's what I feel. I'm going slowly and steadily to just enhance my crease. I don't want to rush. Also, I'm going to place this darkest brown color on the outer corner of my eye. So now I'm going to pick this color up. In the center it goes. Brilliant. So now I must say that the center color is a little more bronzy gold. Now if you want, you can always use a light gold. I want to just use this palette only to create this look, so I am going for the same bronzy golden color placed here. But honestly speaking, I really love this too. I can, like, this shade is to die for me. I'm so much in love with this palette. So now once this is done, I am just going to dig in some Hen Feng liner right here. So yes, and also this goes on the inner dot. So now I'm going to use the Maybelline gel liner to line the eye. Pretty liners is the key to pretty Indian makeup. And now we are going to go for a lot of mascara on the eyelashes. So this will remove any kind of gaps which we have from where our skin is peeking through. So now I'll just quickly finish my eyebrows and I'll be right back. And now by using the Max Factor Kohl pencil, I'm just going to heavily fill my lower lash line, lining the upper and the lower lash line with black color. That's the main pattern of all kind of Indian looks majorly. Of course, trends are changing, looks are changing, that all is a separate matter. I'm talking about the universal thing. So guys, statutory warning, I am here to do the video, so I'm definitely going to apply the eyelashes. So you can completely skip this step if you don't feel like applying any kind of lashes. So I'm just going to dust off all this powder below our eyes. So now I'm going to apply this Velvet Teddy pencil under my eyes. And I'm going to use this shade right here to just smudge this entire line out. So now once we finish with this beautiful little eyes, I'm going to zoom you out and we are going to go on the face directly. So we are going to dig in the MAC blusher palette and we are going to dig in this beautiful shade to bronze and blush our face. I'm just going to redden up a little bit of my nose as well. That's it. And for the highlight, we are going to go where, you guys? In the Anastasia Glow palette. This is a little bit, white sand is a little bit of champagne gold and Sun AY is a little bit more sunny gold. And that's the best combination for the Indian skin. So this extra glow I love, and I am just going to set this entire thing with some setting spray. So this is my DIY setting spray, and if you want to know how to get this DIY spray, do click the card somewhere I'll be putting around so that you know how to make this at home just by using 2 ingredients. Oh my god, that's too much. So now I'm going to take the lip contour or the lip pencil from Huda Beauty in the shade Icon. And now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Famous. So So guys, this concludes my guest Indian makeup. Here we come to an end to this video. I hope that you like this video. If you like, do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then,